Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this video quickly show you technical question as well as possible answer. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, simply ask me in comment section. Please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you and let's move to the question. So friends, question is iPhone disable connect to iTunes store. So how to solve this problem? I will show you step by step guide to solve this problem. Make sure read all instruction to solve this problem. So without any delay, let's start and solve this problem. So friends, in this way you solve this problem. Make sure read all these instructions and carefully apply all instructions to solve this problem. So this is the video for today. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.